Okay, so the next question that we have on the menu today is asking us, how do we convert 68% into a fraction? Okay, so 68% is what we're starting with. And this percent sign is really just a shorter way of saying this, 0.68. So we're going to try to convert this into a fraction. Okay, so pretty much any number is already a fraction if you just say divided by 1, right? This is a fraction, but it is not a fraction in its simplest form. Okay, so we want to make this a little bit more simple, and we don't want any decimals or any, we just want like whole, nice integer type numbers with our fractions here. So this was 0.68 on the upstairs, unacceptable. Okay, we have to maybe, if we multiply the top and the bottom of this fraction by 100, it will still be equal. So if we do like 100 over 100, multiplied by 0.68, multiplied by 1, it is perfectly equal to 0.68 over 1. And this will just be 68 over 100. Okay, this is pretty good so far. This is certainly a fraction, and we have no more decimals. So this could be good, but this could be a little bit simpler as well. Okay, so to simplify, or to reduce, is there anything that could be multiplied that, is there anything that we could factor out of 168? Is there any common factors between 168? I think there is. I know 60 times 60 is divisible by 4. So 60 plus 8, and 8 is divisible by 4. So 68 must be divisible by 4. I think that's going to be 17. Yeah, exactly, 17. And 100 divided by 4, well, that's 4 quarters. 25 is 1 quarter of 100. So we will have 17 over 25. And that's after factoring out the 4. And yeah, so this is just going to be 17 over 25. And is there anything else that we could kind of reduce this into? Pretty much, is there any common factor between 17 and 25? Well, I don't think so. 17 is a prime number. So only way that we can get to 17 through multiplication is by multiplying 1 times 17. There's nothing that we can factor out to make a nice even number. So we are stuck here, and this will be our simplest form. Okay, so let's give this a nice highlight and say that this is the simplest form of of 68% as a fraction. Okay, so yeah, that would be the answer right there, and we can be very happy that we found what we're looking for. Okay, so let's mark this answer as good. Above solution is good. Good job. High five.